What's poppin', baby? She's that baby knows it's your girl Breeangelique, and I'm back for another video. In this video, we are going to be cleaning our brushes because honestly, it's gotten so out of hand in here with these brushes. These are my eyeshadow brushes. They're all supposed to be either cream or black or white. And as you can see, they are purple, pink, orange, brown. They're all supposed to look like this. Clean. This is what most of them look like. So we're gonna have to go ahead and get that together. It's kind of dusty because that's how long it's been since I cleaned my brushes. I used this little doohickey that Bae got me on Groupon, and basically this is the jar. So I fill it up with some dish soap and some water, and then I plug in this guy to my automatic spinner. Right? I have these little brush heads or brush bases. What you basically do is snap on the appropriate head, and then you take a brush, stick it in that bad boy so it snaps. Turn this on, and then we're about to just do that. Right, my dears, we is back. I showed you how much soap I put in there. This is how much water I put in. Now, I can't use my thumb. So we're gonna turn this on. So after a couple of those, it should be pretty much clean, as you can see. You want to give it a chance, like reshape it or whatever, and then turn it on and let it dry. My dog likes the sound of this. All right, y'all, we're back. My storage had filled up for a second, but I got that under control. Basically, this is what it looks like when it's done. Super clean, super fresh. It's still movable. It has most of its shape. Like, I won't lie. Sometimes, depending on the quality of your brush or how long you keep the motor running on it, when it's drying, it might not keep the same shape. I'm just gonna put that out there. You just keep repeating the process until all your brushes are clean. So, this is how I clean my brushes. If you clean your brushes differently, let me know in the comments below how you clean yours, and I'll give it a try on my channel. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.